these pretty hats, big ribbons. Wow, she has a swan on her head. Okay, that's really nice. I like the hat. Very cool. Beautiful.
Thank you. Your outfit.
But what I like, I'm more about the tradition.
Why are all these people lined up for? Oh, it's a lineup to go into Easter services in St. Patrick's Cathedral. There's St. Patrick's Cathedral there. I always forget about the religious elements of Zombie Jesus Day. Now, why I call it Zombie Jesus Day, for those who do not know, according to the religion, it is the day that Jesus rose from the grave. And as we all know in science fiction lore, when you rise from the grave, you're a zombie, so. Oops, sorry. Listening to my voice. Look at this, it's beautiful.
Thank you. All right.
Oh, there's a puppy. That's cool.
Oh.
Yo, Maki, what did I tell you?
Huh?
Who's gonna thin out?
Yeah, makes sense.
Uh-huh.
Twins are over there.
Yeah, I said hi to one of them earlier.
There's a bit of a show happening over there, but it's a little bit TOS.
What's happening?
Dancing person, but their top is mesh and
No, I'm not gonna risk it. There's always someone every year that comes down, they're like half naked, but they're like trying to be disruptive.
well, no, they're just performative, and I do wonder what the guideline is because they're trans, so I don't know.